Well, Tim, congratulations. The Fight in the Night title is yours again this year. Talk us through it, how it all went.
Yeah, it was smooth actually. I mean, Aaron's prepared the car really well, so you know it's important to have pace, but it's very important in production cars to have a reliable car. So hats off to Aaron. He's done a great job. You know, it was and of course Beric's done a great job as well. He started and hosed him and brought the car in. So my job was pretty easy. I just had to circulate and get it home.
Well, Beric, congratulations. Another Fight in the Night is yours. How does it feel?
Oh, look, it's good. It's we do all right at night. We've now got to back it up tomorrow and see if we can't take 2 wins away from the weekend. You know, change the pads and things like that and do a few things. And we want to look at the tyres that will come off it tonight. They've worked hard and see what it is, you know, because Queensland is hard on tyres and it was 300 Ks and it's going to be a lot hotter tomorrow. So, you know, we've just got to take that all into consideration as to how we prepare.